After a year of staying inside and not being able to travel, my partner and I decided to go on a cross-country Amtrak train trip out west and back. From Chicago to Seattle, San Francisco to Moab, we traveled around the country sleeping overnight on the trains and visited 7 states in 3 weeks. It was an unforgettable trip that really quenched our wanderlust. For now. We're in Sausalito, and it really reminds me of the Amalfi Coast in Italy a little bit, because it has like the hills with the houses on the hills, right on the water, little downtown strip cafes outside.
Yes, thank you.
It's nice.
Our waitress sounds like Petrus.
We're going to walk across the Golden Gate, and it's very cold and windy. There's San Francisco from the bridge. So we're walking around Fisherman's Wharf right now, and I'm wearing Pat's long sleeve shirt because it is so cold. I forgot that San Francisco just doesn't get warm in the summer. And we also are passing an In-N-Out, which we will not go into after our last experience.
Nope, not at all. Not going anywhere near that place. I still have most of my teeth.
Yeah, thankfully. So anyway, walking around here, maybe gonna find some fish and chips or something.
Try to play with me.
Fish and chips? What's that? Crab sandwich?
Yeah, crab salad sandwich, I think.
Looks good. Looks good. Good stuff.